Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico here, aka RockStarrFX, and today we're gonna be bringing you a live tutorial, live training on, because I've been getting this requested like crazy, especially from a lot of our customers, a lot of our members. They need assistance with actually funding their brokers accounts, funding their trading accounts. They want to know how they can actually put money into their account so they can actually start trading live and making money with. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna show you guys the most simplest way to go ahead and fund your broker account. Not just fund your broker account, but to even just buy Bitcoin, okay, and be able to withdraw, be able to make purchases and stuff like that with Bitcoin as well, using the simple app, CashApp.
Feel just like a rock star.
Now, for those of you who've never used CashApp before, listen, don't worry about it. Don't be afraid. I already know I'll probably get a lot of views on this video, right? Hopefully I do. And I already know there's gonna be a lot of people asking, like, is CashApp legit? Can I trust them with my bank information, whatever the case may be? Yes. If you've never used CashApp before, it is a 100% legit app. It's actually owned by Square Cash. So if you guys know what Square is, it's a little white cube. A lot of businesses, companies use it for swiping their cards now. Nowadays, so on and so forth. So it's owned by Square, and pretty much this is an app where you can download it right from your phone. It's absolutely free, and you can pretty much, originally it was just intended to send people money. So it was kind of like Venmo, right? It was actually, from what I believe, it was actually out before Venmo, right? So this was the big thing before Referral. It was CashApp. So you send money to your friends, whatever the case may be. You can buy stuff, so on and so forth. And you can actually even get a little nice customizable CashApp debit card that you can get straight to you. So if you guys don't have a debit card, a Visa debit card, you can download CashApp and actually request your debit card from there as well. If you guys have never used CashApp before, there's gonna be a link down in the description for you guys to go ahead and download that. And here's the cool part about it. If you download CashApp using the link, you get $5 for downloading it. I get $5 for referring you, right? So it's a win-win situation. And for all of the traders out there, that's your first $5 that you have to fund your broker's account with, all right? So it's pretty cool. Now, we're gonna get straight into the tutorial. It's very simple. In order to actually go ahead and fund your brokers, right, what you're gonna have to do is, you're gonna have to come over to the tab all the way on the left. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, it might be a little bit different, but on my screen right now, it's the tab all the way to the left. All right, and where you're gonna go is, you're gonna see this section right here that says Bitcoin. So you have cash, you have Bitcoin, and if you link the bank account or something, your bank account will be there, but you're gonna click the Bitcoin section. Now this section this part is the part that takes the most time. So we're gonna do this part first, all right? So click the Bitcoin section, and you see right here on mine, it says I have a wallet already. I already have a Bitcoin wallet. If you're brand new, you don't have a wallet yet. So the option for you is not gonna be your wallet. It's not gonna say your Bitcoin address and stuff like that there. What it's going to say is, it's gonna say enable withdrawals. All right, so simply what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna click that enable withdrawals button, and what this does is, it allows you to do more than just buy and sell Bitcoin, right? It allows you to actually withdraw it, to different wallets, to deposit from different wallets. So like if somebody's sending you Bitcoin or anything like that, you get your own little wallet ID to deposit as well. But once you click the enable withdrawals button, it's gonna say pretty much they need to verify your identity. Now, once again, this is just for, obviously, I would assume legal purposes. Just like if you were opening a bank account or something like that, they need to verify who you are to make sure you're not making a bunch of random accounts, right? And just like, scamming the world, right? So they're gonna verify your identity, and all they ask is for a picture of your ID, front and back, and then a selfie of yourself to make sure that the picture on the ID actually matches who you are. Now, the verification process usually takes up to 24 hours. It all depends. Honestly, I don't know what it depends on. Me personally, I got verified in less than 2 hours, but I know people that they didn't get verified until the next day. But don't worry, when your account is actually verified, you're gonna get a notification through an email. So whatever email you set up with CashApp, you're gonna get the email straight to you, letting you know that your account is now verified, and you're able to make withdrawals using CashApp. Now, what we're gonna do is, now that you're able to actually make withdrawals, you're gonna see you have a Bitcoin address here. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. So your wallet is now open, right? And I know a lot of people are gonna be excited about that, but your wallet is open, and what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go over to the actual, the cash tab, okay? Actually, the investing tab, right? We just had an update. So you're gonna go over to the investing tab, okay? And actually, CashApp just added stocks this morning, which is pretty cool. But you're gonna click Bitcoin, okay? You're gonna click Bitcoin. Once you click Bitcoin, you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see a big blue button that says buy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click buy, and you're gonna buy however much Bitcoin that you want to deposit into your brokerage account. Or if you're just using Bitcoin for another kind of purchase or anything like that, to purchase something online, whatever the case may be, you're going to buy the amount of Bitcoin that you need for your purchase, okay? So once you click buy, you'll be good to go. Now, I'm not gonna buy any Bitcoin right now because I don't need to, right? But you're gonna click the buy button, you're gonna buy the Bitcoin, and then you're gonna come over here, you're gonna see in your Bitcoin wallet, right? Mine is at 0 because I don't have any right now, but you're gonna see the amount of Bitcoin that you have right there in your wallet, all right? Now, if you're funding your brokerage account or if you're buying something online and you have the option to actually use Bitcoin to do so, you're gonna click that Bitcoin option. It'll probably prompt you through a few instructions on what to do next. And ultimately what they're gonna do at the end is they're gonna give you a Bitcoin address to deposit your Bitcoin into to complete your purchase or to complete the funding of your account. Very simple. What you're gonna do next is you're going to click the withdraw button. Okay, now once again, I don't have any Bitcoin here, but you're gonna click the withdraw button. And once you click the withdraw button, you are going to withdraw to the Bitcoin address, okay? To the Bitcoin address of where you guys are sending the money to. Now, a lot of the times they might give you a QR code. And if they give you a QR code, you can simply just scan the code with your phone. You're gonna go ahead and scan it with the camera on your phone, and it'll get sent straight over. And that's it. That's easy, right? Super easy. Straight to the point. Like I said, pretty simple. It's gonna be a short video, but hopefully you guys found value in the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you're brand new to our team, welcome to the team. Get that broker funded ASAP. And if you guys are just watching this and you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share this out with other people. Make sure you drop some comments letting me know that you enjoyed the video. And if you're looking for some trading mentorship, if you're looking to get involved in our mentorship program and start actually trading Forex or binary options with us, then you can go ahead and either one, contact me on Instagram at RockStarrFX, or you can go ahead and click the links down below that'll send you straight to the enrollment page. So go ahead, get your package, get locked in, and I'll see you guys on the inside. So hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, it's your boy RockStarrFX. I'm out. Peace.